What if you could run your own personal, private AI assistant on your computer and completely offline? Let me tell you how this is possible. Well, there are many solutions right now. In this video, I will focus on the most popular applications that can be used on any platform. And the good thing about it, that you can do pretty much the same like with cloud platforms. You can talk with files, you can upload some images, things like that. You name it. But the good thing, nothing is leaving your device. Everything's private, which is pretty cool, I think. And also watch till the end. I will show a couple programs that you can install. And with recent developments of open source AI, especially with models like Qwen 3.5, those models are really capable. A lot of other models can be even compared with cloud models, which is insane. I mean, you can run those models on your computer. They can compete with ChatGPT or things like that. Isn't it pretty cool? I think yeah, but there's always a question. How to know if you can run that model or not? I found a pretty good tool, and that tool is actually will be helpful when you decide which model to download, or if your computer even capable of running that LLM. That tool is called LMFit, and it will exactly show you based on your hardware and operating system. It will show you what kind of AI model you can run, which is actually pretty cool. And from that, you can choose whatever the server you want to run it on. And after that, when you have at least some knowledge of what models can be pretty good for your computer, you can download them. In this case, I'm going to show you Ollama and LMStudio. So in Ollama, previously it was just the server, meaning that you have to install it and run through the CLI command, and the other clients supposed to be installed, and you have to install Docker, and then you have to work through that Docker container. And those solutions, I mean, those were pretty innovative at that time, but the problem was the performance, because the Docker is not native on many platforms, and then you have to run the stuff. It's kind of bad for your performance, especially if you're low on RAM or things like that. So I think right now there's a better way to do it, and Ollama has been developing all that time, and it's still under heavy development. So there's a chat, and in the chat you can actually communicate like in the ChatGPT or whatever. But also, as always, you can use your Python scripts, and you can use other extensions to communicate with Ollama, and then it can be used for your penetration testing, security assessments, your private development stack, you name it. Like, there are many different opportunities. And what about the LMStudio? LMStudio is even more capable. There are many opportunities of use in there. And I think what's pretty cool about it, you can not only talk to your files, so you can upload like PDF, TXT, or images, and then have conversations with the LLM about those, but also you can easily, through the UI interface, download models. Then you can manage them, and you can also use external storage for storing all those models, which is pretty cool. But on top of it, there is a cool feature, so you can use MCP servers with local models, which is also interesting. LMStudio, for instance, for macOS, LMStudio not only supports like standard formats, like from models from Ollama, but also MLX is supported. MLX is for macOS computers running on ARM, and MLX is pretty fast, and it makes local LLMs even faster. And that thing is supported by the LMStudio. And yeah, both of those applications pretty easy to install, and they are cross-platform, and you can use them as servers as well. So communication with your tools, with other tools that you can download from GitHub, and all that stuff can happen locally. So you don't have to worry about anything else and focus on your product you want to build in privacy or privacy-related issues. Or you can also use that LMStudio or Ollama in the corporate environment when everything's prohibited, and you can only allow to use local LLMs, which can be a savior. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, go and hit that button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe. Bye.